Number 12. To estimate 196 is close to 200 and 12 is close to 10. If we are to divide these, we can divide out a 10 right away, and 20 divided by 1 is just 20. For mental math, we are going to stack those up and turn them into a fraction. We need to move that decimal 2 spots to turn it into a whole number. So I'm going to multiply by a 1 with 2 zeros, also known as 100. On the top, to move the decimal 2 spots, I need to add 2 zeros to the end. Now, I'm going to multiply by 4. I could also multiply by 2, because a 5 times a 2 gives me a 10. Let's try 2. 19600 times 2 is 39200. And then 1225 times 2 is going to be 2 sets of 12 would be 24, and 2 sets of 25 would be 50. Then we can divide out a 0. And we can multiply by 2 again. 2 times 245 is going to be 490. And then on the top, I should have 78, and then a 4, 7,840. I can divide a 0 out again, and I have 784 divided by 49. And that could be easier to work with than 245. Still not super easy, but it is easier than having 3 or 4 digit numbers to work with. So 784 divided by 49. 49 fits in there once. Borrow from the 7. 18 minus 9 is 9, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Then bring down your 4. 49 is really close to 50. So if I wanted to figure out how many 50s it took to get close to 249, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. So let's try 5 sets of 49. 9 times 5 is 45. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 more makes 24. If I borrow from the 9, 14 minus 5 is 9, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So it looks like I could fit one more in there. Let's try 6 sets of 6 sets of 49. Nine times 6 is 54. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 5 makes 29. So it looks like it's going to fit exactly 6 times for an answer of 16, which is close to our approximation of 20.